This is his new birthday present from Mimi and Kenny, Bo and Cole. Are you going to drill it in there? See, now I have a drill like Dad's. Because I'm always trying to take his. Oh, he's going to take the bit out and put the other bit in. You got to pull it. Can you pull it out and put the new one in? Get down here. So we already drilled some in. Are you going to drill them back out? Are you going to take the other ones out? Very good. So I'll be fixing all kinds of stuff. Oh, it's not all the way done yet? There we go. Good job. There's one more in there. How about this last one right here? Do that one. Are you going to take the last one out? Do this one. Take this one out right here. Get the drill. Take it out. What did you think about that? Almost. I don't think you got it all the way. A little bit more. There you go. Good job. See, that's pretty cool. There's your hammer. Wow. The other stuff is going to go underneath the Christmas tree. Mommy has to wrap it. Sister got a present, and Lucas got a present. Are you going to put them back in? Remember, you have to click the button on the top. I'm envisioning hours of entertainment. Putting them in, taking them out. Putting them in, taking them out. Remember, you have to click the button on top, right here. Click the button. Click the button. There you go. Very good. You got another one? Yeah, do that one. Right there. Oh, that was the bit, silly. That wasn't the screw. There you go. Now do it. Look up concentration. Good job. One more. Where's the last one? I don't think that one is a screw hole. That's one that's for the hammer. Now, try it again. Very good. Yay! Now, if you want to take them out, you have to click the button. It even clicks like it's a real deal. Click the button on top and you can take them out. This was a hit. That was for your birthday. Say thank you for my birthday present.